What's the meaning of central tendency? Central tendency. Central tendency.
Central tendency. Central tendency. Central tendency refers to a statistical measure that represents the most typical or common value of a dataset. There are three main measures of central tendency: the mean, median, and mode. The mean is the average of all values in the dataset, the median is the middle value when the dataset is ordered from lowest to highest, and the mode is the value that appears most frequently in the dataset. These measures help us understand the distribution of the data and can be used to make predictions or draw conclusions about a population.